let's make this succulent unripe plantain porridge together. We'll be needing some scent leaves, pumpkin leaves, a handful of crayfish, one black fish, some palm oil, some smoked fish, fresh peppers, Kanda, otherwise known as Palmoil, and also some ripe and also unripe plantains. In my food processor, I just roughly chopped my peppers, my onion, crayfish, and just allow it to rough chop for just 1 minute. For this recipe, I used 70% unripe plantains and 30% ripe plantains, and I used this combination because I want the ripe plantains to add this sweetness to the porridge. You understand me? The ripe plantains will add this extra sweetness to the porridge, and if you try this method the next time you're making plantain porridge, you will notice a huge difference. Here I'm chopping my ripe and unripe plantains in this dice shape, and you can see what I'm doing here. I'm doing this because I want this to thicken the porridge. I want it to have this luscious consistency, which you'll be seeing as this video progresses. Okay, please make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please, this is a monetized channel, always watch my ads. Okay, thank you. In a clean pot, I just steam my plantains in hot water before adding my onions, peppers, and crayfish. Stir this to perfection. And then introduce my seasoning cubes and salt, and also all the proteins I intend using for this particular dish. I allow this boil till I'm sure it is 70% ready before going in with my palm oil to give it enough time to cook. And I also want to note at this point that I added a little ogiri. Ogiri is also known as castor seed bean, but I did that off camera, okay? Adding a little ogiri to this recipe just changes everything. Trust me guys, it changes every single thing. Elevate this dish from level 100 to 1000. We'll be using a combination of pumpkin leaves, otherwise known as ugu leaves, and also scent leaves, guys. This mix is a bomb. It was so good. Just as you can see here, this dish tasted amazing. Please always like my videos, thumbs up my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way again, I remain Delicious Army. Keep showing love, guys.